How to show mutual friends on Facebook. If any day any of you are a Facebook user and you would like to be like showing your mutual friends on Facebook, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Facebook application on your mobile device. Tap on the very Facebook application and you can see that Facebook will be launched on your very mobile device. After Facebook is launched on your mobile device, you have to go to the profile like icon there and then go to the option of settings and privacy. After you go to the option of settings and privacy, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the option of the settings once again. After you tap on the option of the settings there, now you can see the interface like this. Now what you can do is you can go to the option of how people can find and contact you. After that, you can see the option like who can see your friend list. Now in here, what you can do is you can make it to only me, or you can also make it the option of the friends or friends accept. So when you make it to the public this way, the people will see your entire friend list. But what happens is if you make it public, you will see entire friend list. But if you will just make it to the friends or only me, the people will only be able to see only the mutual friends and not your entire friend list. So you can make it to only me, and this way the people will find the various kind of mutual friends. You can also search it by example. For example, you can search any of your friend on your very mobile device on your Facebook account, and after you tap on that, you can see the various kind of mutual friends that you have on the very account of the person. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it and if you find our video to be meaningful to you, do not forget to subscribe our channel.